over 1 million naira made from cryptocurrency without trading or doing anything. So you deposit your money and then you see this profit. What I'm about to share with you looks like is a scam, or is a Ponzi scheme, or is a get rich quick system, but no. I'm about to tell you what the rich people leverage on to make more money for themselves in times of economic crisis. And this same thing has made my friend 1 million naira without doing anything. Of course, it made me money myself, but I'm not going to tell you how much I've made from it. But let's talk about my friend that made 1 million naira. And it's so amazing, so amazing. If you can learn this right now and copy it and replicate, you too can make this money without doing anything. It requires zero skill, zero expertise. Don't learn anything. You're actually not going to learn anything. Just do what I tell you to do and you see this result for yourself. This is me coming out boldly to make this kind of statement. I usually don't make this kind of video, but this is so good to be true that I don't want to hold it back. Now, this video is going to be very short, but for you to understand everything I will be saying in this video, first of all, do it to like this video and share this video with someone around you, because this will help them make money during the time of economic crisis, especially if you are in Nigeria. Now, my Nigerian brothers and sisters, welcome to this video. This is so strategic. You know, over the years, we've seen a high-level inflation in the Nigerian currency. High-level inflation in the Nigerian currency. As at this time last year or thereabouts, $1 to naira was exactly 500 naira to $1. That means that if I convert $1 to naira, I will have 500 naira. But right now, at the time of recording this video, it might have increased. At the time you're watching this video, I don't know what will happen to it, depending on when you're watching this video. The current exchange rate, if you go to Aboki FX, is 895 to $1. 895 naira to $1. And now this is what my friend did to make this exact money I talked to you about. Now pay closer attention, because this is where it gets interesting. He had changed 1.5 million naira of his money to USDT. So what he did, that he created a Binance account, and on his Binance account he deposited 1.5 million naira, which is exactly equivalent to $3,000. Now, $3,000, he stored it on a token called USDT. Now, if it's your first time hearing about USDT, USDT is USD Theta, which is like a stable coin in the cryptocurrencies. This is where people put their money when they don't want to actively be in a trade or be in a market that is fluctuating. So it's stable. That means that the value of USDT is always the value of USDT. Now, the beauty of this is that he bought this when $1 to a naira was 500 naira per dollar. Now, as of today, if you do the math, the exchange rate right now, I know before midnight it's going to change, while before tomorrow it's going to increase to 900 naira, maybe more. I'm not like praying for that, but that's what it is. If you do $3,000 multiplied by 895, you're going to have over 2.6 million naira at the average. 2.6 million naira. Now, think about it. He had 1.5 million naira, bought 3,000 worth of USDT, and right now he has over 2.5 million naira for himself. That's an additional 1 million naira to his money without him having to buy anything, trade anything, do anything, or even worry about anything. He just bought USDT. Now, one of the things about times of economic crisis is that the rich leverage on these problems and these inflation issues to make a lot more money for themselves. That's why it's saying the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer. Now, in times of economic crisis, the poor are suffering. There is lack, increase in cost of living, a lot of problems, and the poor will keep complaining and complaining and complaining. You know why the rich won't complain? Because they leverage on some of these things to hedge their money on stable currencies that would help them play above the inflation issue. Now, there are a lot of ways to hedge your money against inflation. I wouldn't want to go into that, but this particular system that I want to talk to you about is exactly what my friend used to make extra 1 million naira for himself. Now, I've used this myself to make extra money for myself. I don't like talking about my personal finances, but actually, I've made a lot more with this same system. Now, what you need to do right now is to consciously start paying attention to hedging your money in USD. Buy dollars. It could be in the FX market, or you could buy on stable coins like USDT. Buy on platforms that you know that your money is safe. I'm not a financial expert. I'm not advising you. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just sharing my opinion and what I've seen work for myself. And if you want to learn from it, you're free. If you want to replicate it, you're also free. But of course, like I always say, you can make more inquiries from your financial advisor if you have one. But this is what is really happening in this time of inflation. So imagine if you had $3,000 last 2 years. Imagine if you had $10,000 somewhere last 2 years. How much would you have made as of today, the day you are watching this video? This is how people are making money without even having to work or do anything for it. Now, I am sure this video was helpful for you. I am very, very, very sure it was. So if you want this to also help the people around you, your friends and family, do well to share this video with them right now. Let them watch this video and let them learn from it. Now, if you want to achieve this yourself, I've done a previous video on how to trade on Binance. You don't need to actively be a crypto trader to do this. You don't need to have an idea of how to trade the crypto market. You just need to know how to deposit your money on Binance or any other crypto wallet you want to use. You can decide to use Trust Wallet, deposit your money there in USDT, which is a stable coin, and the value of your money will remain the same. So for example, 1 USDT is equal to $1 US. So it won't change. 1 USDT, $1 US. 1 USDT, $1 US. That's why it's called a stable coin. It's not like crypto, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, that will lose value, go up or down, go up or down, go up or down. The value of it is the value of it. Now, this is my advice to you. Share this video with people around you. Let them watch this video and know how to hedge themselves against this economic crisis in Nigeria. Probably might be the same in your country. You want to do this for yourself. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.